camping here. And I'm just in line. Ready na mag-check-in. Wala si Gerald and si Jeremy kasi dalawang sasakyan yung ginamit namin. Hindi na kasya yung mga gamit namin. Syempre, overpacker ako. So, kinailangan ng dalawang sasakyan. And walang signal dito. So, I don't know where they are right now. So, I hope naka-check-in na sila and I hope nandun na sila sa campground. So, we'll see them in a bit after I check in.
Cleaning, keep anything scented or smelly, good or bad, locked up. We are being quite strict right now. We're only giving out one warning, then after that we're evicting with no refund. So just make sure you're nice and clean, and if you see the bear, let us know, okay?
Okay.
And then you're in this first campground to your right, and you're looking for the road called Birch.
Okay, thank you very much.
No problem, have a good one.
You too. So, nauna na ako. Wala pa sila, Daddy. Nauna silang umalis sa akin, pero wala pa rin sila dito. Habang inaantay natin si Daddy and Jeremy, puntahan muna natin yung campground nila Jepoy, Mama, and Papa. Separate kami ng campground kasi 4 people lang ata yung maximum per campsite. Sige, tarp pa more! Ayan. This is our kitchen. Ayan. Bakit? Ang bakit? Kinakabahan na ako. Wala pa si Gerald and Jeremy. Kasi nauna lang sila ng mga siguro 5-10 minutes. So, hopefully, hindi sila naligaw. Yeah. Alam namin. Hello, balong! Ba't nawala ang balong ko? Nawala ang daddy and balong. Hi! Where are we? Huh? Forest.
Bukas bili pa tayo ng isang kahoy kasi isa lang yung kahoy.
Ay,
Saan yung upuan nito?
Ha?
Ay, maliit yung upuan. May bag pa o dalawa.
Ay, may kasamang upuan.
Oo, tsaka bag. Meron naman si Jeremy, di ba?
Bigyan ng katrabaho ko. So, how come you don't have a sleeping bag?
Keep ko lang tong box, no? Kulang yung tao.
Let's go see Bea. Can we go see Bea? Let's go see Bea. Come on. Let's go. We need another one.
So, Jeremy.
Okay, Mama. 1, 2.
Ito ang harap malaki.
Okay, magsiset up na tayo dito sa loob. Na-inflate na namin yung mga airbeds namin. And now, let's prepare yung hihigaan namin for tonight. Yung mga sleeping bag, ginawa ko na lang siyang parang bed sheet. Hi!
Ilaw niya na, dala-dala niya kanina. Nandito?
Do you like our bed?
Ay, ayun. Sa table.
And Jeremy has
Yan ito
his
yung flashlight.
sleeping bag.
Ito yung table lang niya. Yan.
Oo.
Ito.
Yeah. Hi! So, ito na ang tutulugan namin mamayang gabi. Yan. 2 airbed para sa aming 3. And extra space for Jeremy kung gusto niya maglaro or magbasa ng libro mamaya. Papa, say hi! Bakit? Ano ininom mo?
Please, tikman mo.
Is it too bitter?
Try it.
No, thanks. Hi, Jepoy.
Hello.
Hello. Kamusta? Na. Hello, Ma.
So big.
Ay, yung pati beef niya. Hindi tama. Kwanda. Ay.
7:20 katatapos naming mag-dinner and nagre-relax lang kami.
No, bakit?
My parents, thank you for the food. And my husband. And Bella.
Birthday to you.
Wala si Jepoy kasi bumili siya ng woods. Ayan si Jeremy nag-e-enjoy. He's having fun here. Kasi maluwang ang play area niya. So itong setup nila mama. Bahay ni Spider-Man.
Sponsor.
Wait. Okay, Pam. Okay, Pam. Okay, Pam. Jeremy. Okay, Pam.
This is the highest it can go.
Okay, Pam.
This is the highest it can go.
Magandang trip daw pala yung...
K-pop na, K-pop. Dodo. Asa yung cash? Na kay Gerald? Bella.
Siguro pag punta niya dito, naubos na dyan.
Baka kailangan na ng tao sa atin. Dapat nakasama yung apoy. Mami,
Ha?
dapat nakasama yung apoy.
Hindi nga makita eh kasi nasa fire ring. Ay, pump. Yan ang banding nilang magtito.
Okay, Pam. Okay, Pam. One more. Okay, Pam.
He'll remember his Tito as the guy who knows the pump.
Set.
Good morning pa.
Morning. It's Monday morning.
What are you
Here
cooking?
in hot dog and beef steak,
Filipino
fried
breakfast.
eggs, and beef soup.
Ay, pinainit niyo yung sabaw kagabi?
Oh.
Yes, thank you. Morning, Jeremy. Here's your water.
That's enough.
Good morning! Ikaw nakatulog kagabi. Kasi, ang lamig. Tsaka, nakakatakot baka may bear.
Data ng us.
Video. Say hi sa video.
Hello!
Happy camping.
Are you hungry na? Hungry?
Ito pang kolonji ko, Jay.
What about hot dog? Guys. Bella? Where are you?
Give it to Bella. Give it to Bella. Give to Bella.
Give it to Bella.
Hey, give to Bella. Give to Bella. Release.
Let go.
Release.
Kinain?
Let go, Jeremy.
Yummy.
Hindi yan chicken, anak. It's beef.
Breakfast namin. Bistek, hot dog, and egg. And yung leftover na, bulalo. Bulalo ba or nilaga? Nilaga. From last night. Ayan. So, maglalakad sana kami papuntang Alouette Lake, pero yung trail is hindi allowed yung mga dogs. So, wala kami activity today. Dito na lang kami. Magbo-bonfire. Oh,
Hiking.
hiking,
Sa
yeah.
falls, but it's gonna take 10 kilometers back and forth.
Wala tayong ano eh,
And,
baby
we
backpack.
We have Jeremy with us. And then, si Mama, baka hindi
Ayan.
na kaya yung kilometers.
Pambatang napagalitan.
You
Babe
have
na.
to listen to Mommy Jeremy next time, okay? Para hindi ka pagalitan ni Daddy, okay?
No more? You don't want strawberry? All done? More water? Ayaw mag-start ng car ni Jepoy, so i-jump start namin. Ay, nako, the struggle. Ginawa ba naman kasing pantry yung sasakyan ni Jepoy, ni Mama at Papa. Yan na. Sana yung damit niya.
Uy.
Football tsaka baseball, Mami, no?
Ganda. Oh, may open field.
Pwede pala dyan mag-kite si Jeremy.
Ang laki ng fire nila dun, kabula.
Ako kasi ng ganyan. Nala ko sa mga gas station, nakita ko, $5.99 lang yung ganyan.
Siyempre,
See? How about this? May lamok.
ay, paburo mo pa. Paburo mo pa.
Yun pa itong nakakainis.
Yeah.
Jeremy?
Karni na.
Give it to mommy. Give it to mommy. Ball? Yeah. He likes the fish ball. Kung may tatira, hindi ako nito ah. Taon ko sa kanako. May puso ka? Oo. You angry? Okay, angry ka. Okay.
Higo ko nga. Wala na si Mami. Where's Mami?
Tatlo.
Our last night here sa Golden Ears Park. One more day off tomorrow. And back to work again. Sana lagi namin tong nagagawa kasi sobrang nakaka-relax. I mean, syempre hindi kami makapagpahinga dahil may chikiting kami. Pero iba pa rin pagka nasa nature ka. Ayan.
Yung mukha niya.
Daddy, pwede pala tayo mag-set up na ng kahit maliit na upuan dyan, no? Bakit ganyan?
Sinat-sinatan yung mukha niya.
Jeremy, can you say good night? Good night. Pang camping.
Ready? Look at the camera. Wow, good morning. Good morning, Dodo, Dodo, and Dodo. Okay. You sit properly, right?
Ang picturean.
The cook of the century.
Century tuna.
Gumaganon na naman yung kamay na naman.
Yung dulo lang yung yung dulo lang ng daliri yung nakukuha.
Bella's Leash. Bella's Leash.
Bawa nang niluluto mo pa. Ano pong niluluto nyo?
Of course, I've been a cook for 8 years now. Experience cooking in the store, camping, in the house. You name it.
Guemason. He's the cook of the house. Dami mong sinaing na kanin pa. So, I'm gonna close this vlog now. Tapos na ang aming camping. And I hope you could stay longer kasi sobrang nakaka-relax siya. Biruin mo yun, walang wifi for 3 days and talagang present ka, especially sa anak namin. So, Jeremy had so much fun. Talagang buong araw lang talaga siya naglalaro and ang luwang ng playground niya kasi he had the whole space for himself. So yeah, sana maulit to this year. I mean, we've experienced both weather, rainy and a little bit of sun, but it was okay. Yesterday may nakitang bear, so we thought we needed to leave the campsite, pero thank God, nawala din yung bear. So, ayun, gonna end this vlog now. Thank you for watching and I'm so glad na ginawa namin tong camping with my parents. Kasi I think first time namin mag-camping with my parents after 10 years na nandito kami sa Canada. So, yeah, time with family really matters. So, thank you for watching. Bye-bye! Till next time!